What you looking at?
I'm watching crows. I like crows.
I can see that. You both wear black.
For example.
You both like shiny things.
True.
You both collect junk.
You call that junk?
Yeah, I do. See any other birds?
Sometimes I see a hawk.
Neat. Never see a falcon?
Only rarely.
How about a blue-footed booby?
They don't live around here.
What about a great tit?
Those are European, I think.
How about a hot-breasted MILF?
Don't know that one.
or a full-throated cock gobbler.
You think that kind of juvenile humor is funny?
Yeah, I do.
I just wanted to see some crows.